Hello everyone, today I am going to review on Woodman BIG B Android stereo for my Hyundai i10 2011 model. I like this product very much. As you can see here, the fitting was just like a company fitting. And coming to the stereo, this is a home screen launcher for for this BIG B Android. On the left you can see the radio, navigation and the music, and on the right you can see the phone, internet and apps. Going to the apps, you have a Chrome and a Google and a gallery, Play Store, Play Music, Play Store. You can download any app from the Play Store, as you can like Hotstar, Amazon Prime and Geo Savan. You can download any apps from that. Next, coming to the maps, you can download the offline maps. Just connect the internet and download the offline maps. You can use anywhere without internet connection. Next, coming to this here features, the symbol, as you can see the logo, navigation and next music, next speedometer and here time. You can keep any one, or the time or the speedometer or music or logo. I just kept the logo. As you can see here, the besides settings, you can adjust the screen brightness either in auto or night mode or day mode. You can adjust. We have a calling options through phone, just connecting the Bluetooth with the stereo. You can talk very perfectly and here we have a weather temperature. And coming to this YouTube, I'll show you them. In the previous I used a Sony, the old model. The sound quality was bad, and just search for many stereos for 3 months. After finally I got the Woodman in online. It was very good product. As you can see the music here, and the sound quality was improved very much. As I said, as I was suffering with the sound was very perfect and clarity. I like this product very much. Sound quality is very beautiful. I like this. And next, coming to this settings, you can, just like a phone, you can set this theme editor. From this you can change the color. Here the color, you can change any color from this. In the home screen launcher you can set the color. As I said, my gray, I just like that. And next, in the settings you have weather and Google Voice Assistant. Next, auto brightness and temperature, and you can see all the settings here. And coming to the Woodman, they will be always available for us to resolve our problems whenever you need. You won't get any problem. If in a case you will get a problem, they'll resolve as soon as possible. And I sincerely recommend this product for any car. Thank you.